Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, everyone. We are very happy to have you here today.
Today, we are going to practice simple English speaking in a slow and easy way.
Yes, this conversation is perfect for beginners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills.
We will talk slowly, use easy words, and practice natural daily English conversations.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us if you want to practice speaking.
Okay, Daniel, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well too. I had a nice morning today.
That's great. What did you do this morning?
I woke up early and made coffee. Then I listened to music for a while.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it was relaxing. What about you?
I woke up late.
Haha, really?
Yes, my alarm rang, but I turned it off and went back to sleep.
Oh no. Were you late?
Almost. I had to get ready very quickly.
That sounds stressful.
Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I do. I like mornings because everything feels quiet and fresh.
I wish I liked mornings too.
Maybe you just need more sleep.
Haha, maybe.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I drink tea.
That sounds nice. I usually drink coffee and eat fruit.
Healthy choice.
I try to eat healthy, but sometimes I eat too much chocolate.
Haha, same here. Chocolate is hard to resist. Sarah, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. Cooking is fun for me.
Really? Cooking feels difficult for me sometimes.
What can you cook?
Very simple things. Pasta, noodles, eggs. That's about it.
Well, that's still cooking.
True. What do you like to cook?
I like making soup, rice dishes, and homemade pizza.
Homemade pizza sounds delicious.
Do you like eating at restaurants?
Yes, especially with friends.
Same. Eating alone at restaurants feels a little strange to me.
I understand. Conversations make meals more enjoyable. What do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedy and adventure movies. What about you?
I like action movies and documentaries.
Documentaries? That's interesting.
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
Do you play any sports?
Sometimes. I play football with my friends on weekends.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I don't really play sports, but I enjoy walking in the park.
Walking is good exercise too.
Yes, and it helps me relax.
Do you prefer staying at home or going out?
Maybe both. It depends on my mood.
That's fair.
Sometimes I enjoy staying home and watching movies. Other times I want to go outside and explore new places.
I'm similar. But honestly, I enjoy staying home more.
You sound like an introvert.
Haha, maybe I am.
What's your favorite season?
Definitely winter.
Really? Why winter?
Because I love cold weather, hot drinks, and rainy days.
That actually sounds cozy.
What about you?
I prefer spring. Everything looks colourful and beautiful.
Spring is nice too. Do you enjoy travelling?
Yes, I love travelling. I want to visit many countries one day.
Same here. Travelling is exciting.
Where would you like to go?
Maybe Japan or Italy.
Great choices. I would love to visit Switzerland.
The mountains there look amazing.
Daniel, do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I do. I think English is very useful.
Exactly. English helps people communicate with others around the world.
And practicing daily conversations can improve speaking confidence.
That's why simple English practice is important for beginners.
Let's practice some easy English sentences together.
Good idea.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What's your favourite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Very nice.
Speaking English every day can help you improve faster.
Even small conversations are helpful.
Yes. Don't worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
Today we talked about daily life, food, hobbies, travel, and free time.
And we practiced simple English sentences in a slow and easy way.
We hope this conversation helped you improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Thank you so much for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
We would love to hear your answers.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye.